Good evening. Welcome to JK News Network. You're watching Evening Bulletin with Shaheen Ali. Here we bring updates from India and all over the world. So let's get the top news coverage. We shouldn't have second debate if Trump still has COVID-19. Biden. Democratic presidential nominee Joe Biden said that they should not go ahead with their next debate on October 15 if President Donald Trump is still infected with the coronavirus. I am looking forward to being able to debate him, but I just hope all the protocols are followed, he added. Meanwhile, Trump tweeted that he is looking forward to the debate. New H-1B visa rules require companies to pay higher wages. The Trump administration on Tuesday announced significant changes to the H-1B visa program for high-skilled foreign workers that will require companies to pay them higher wages. Top administration's officials said that the changes were made to protect American jobs during the pandemic. The rules will specifically affect tech companies that long supported H-1B visas. Would have thrown out China in 15 minutes if Congress was in power. Rahul Gandhi leader. Rahul Gandhi has criticized PM Narendra Modi over India's border standoff with China, saying if Congress was in power, it would have thrown out China from the country in less than 15 minutes. The coward PM says no one has taken our land. India is the only country where another country came in and took away 1200 square kilometers. Two men escaped after attempting to rape 2-year-old girl in Madhya Pradesh. The Madhya Pradesh police have launched a manhunt for two men who allegedly attempted to rape a 2-year-old girl at her house in Jabalpur on Wednesday. The police said on hearing the child's voice, the mother rushed to the room, after which the two fled from the scene. The accused are not known to the child's mother. Health Minister denies reports of taking personal cognizance of Sushant case. Union Health Minister Harshvardhan on Tuesday took to Twitter to refute reports that he has offered to take personal cognizance of actor Sushant Singh Rajput death case. I have not spoken to anyone nor offered to examine any case. Please refrain from believing any unverified statements, he said, calling the reports fake news. Special and very dangerous. Sachin Tendulkar Lord Surya Kumar impressed with the batting display of Mumbai Indians. Surya Kumar Yadav against Rajasthan Royals. Sachin Tendulkar took to Twitter to praise the batsman. Surya Kumar is special and very dangerous because he can play on all sides of the wicket. Tendulkar tweeted, on Tuesday, Yadav registered his highest IPL score of 47 ball 79 to win the Man of the Match award. Face discrimination at various levels. Pakistani Sikh cricketer pacer Mahendra Pal Singh, who is reportedly the first Sikh cricketer in Pakistan's domestic circuit, admitted to the facing discrimination at different levels in his pursuit to play for the national side. I have had to struggle a lot, but I am not prepared to give up on my dream, said Mahendra. The cricketer added that he aspires to play against India. Don't chase celebs' car, we will take action. Police to media as a Rhea gets bail after Rhea Chakrabarti was granted bail by Bombay High Court. Mumbai police on Wednesday asked a media person to not chase celebrities' cars. Lives of people cannot be endangered. We will take stern action against not only the driver but also the person instructing the driver to do such a chase, said police. Doing so is an offense, police added. Hope Rhea's time in jail has sufficed egos of people. Tapsi Pannu after Bombay High Court granted bail to Rhea Chakrabarti. Tapsi Pannu tweeted that she hopes Rhea's time in jail has sufficed the egos of people who, in name of the justice for Sushant, fulfilled their personal professional agendas. She added, praying she doesn't become bitter towards life she has ahead of her. Rhea was granted bail in drug case linked to Sushant death. That's all for today. For more news updates, stay connected with JK News Network. Thank you.